everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys what is in my sea bag. Essentially it is just going to be another what is in my purse video. However, the bag specifically is a sea bag. And for those of you who do not know, a sea bag is a bag that comes from right here in Maine and are made out of recycled sails. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, colors, and patterns. And they have everything from duffel bags to purses to little wristlets and so much more. Because they are made out of recycled sails, they are really durable. They clean up super easily. All you have to do is either rinse it off or take a magic eraser to it. They are waterproof since it is a sail, and they hold a ton. I will have their website linked down below for you guys in case you guys are interested in checking them out. They are well worth the money. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is my sea bag. I got it for Christmas this past year. If you've seen my Christmas haul, then you've already seen it. But this was one of my big gifts from my parents, and I've been wanting one for probably 3 years now. I've had one of the little wristlets for years. It just has a black paw print on it. However, I really wanted one of the full-size bags, and I finally got one, and this is just what it looks like. The bag itself is white, and then it has a ton of breast cancer ribbons in the shape of an anchor. And then as you guys can see, the handles are just rope, and then it also has a little clasp at the top. And now I'm just going to dig in and show you guys what's in it. So right here at the top, there's this little pocket squeezed between the outside and the inside of the bag where the handle is, and that is typically where I keep my phone so I can easily access it. And for those of you who are wondering, I just have the black iPhone XR, and then this is just what is in my bag, and everything is just kind of thrown in there. As you can see, there is also a ton more room to fit a ton more stuff. And like I said, this is the purse version. This isn't even the big version that they have, and you still have a ton of room for things. Since it is just one big open pocket, I figured I can put it down and just pull things out, and that you guys don't need to witness me pulling things out because it's just coming from the same place. The first thing I have is my planner. This is the simplified planner, and I got it from Walmart. As you guys can see, it is just a bunch of colorful stripes. I really love how plain and simple it is. And it is a weekly planner, and in it you get a monthly spread, which just looks like this. And then this is just what the weekly spread looks like. And each of these full lines is a full day, and it is split into 2 boxes. You get a box that has my day right here, and then a box with a to-do list. Next, I have my sunglasses. They are just a pair of aviators from Walmart. I think I got them for like $5. And this is just what they look like on. I have a lint roller. This is a Flint lint roller. If you've been on my channel for a while now, then you've seen these here and there. Basically, they are just portable lint rollers, and they are super duper convenient because they do collapse so nicely, and the actual lint rolling sticky part is covered, so if you throw it in your bag, it's not going to collect things. I actually ordered mine from Amazon. I will have them linked down below for you guys. I have a first aid kit. This is just one of the Me for Kids first aid kits. It's in the shape of a little band-aid in this little plastic container. I picked this one up one day while I was at Bed Bath & Beyond, but I also know that Target carries them, and basically it's just a mini first aid kit that comes with band-aids, wipes, ointment, and a bunch of other basic first aid things. I have some Nausine, and this is just an anti-nausea medication. They are just little cherry flavored chewables, and let me tell you, this stuff is a miracle, and if you don't carry this with you or have this with you at your house, you need to. It works so well for nausea and dizziness and stuff like that. I personally like this better than prescription Zofran. I do have a standing order of Zofran. However, I haven't needed to use it because this works a lot better, and between everyone in my house, we go through it pretty quickly, and the only place that we have found that carries it, at least in our area, is Walmart. Lastly, for medical things, I have my EpiPen. I have a ton of allergies. If you guys don't know, I'm allergic to things like latex, peanuts, tree nuts, eggs, and the list goes on. If you guys would like to learn more about my allergies, I will have an entire playlist down below. I have videos on how to use an EpiPen. I have videos on what I carry with me in my allergy bag and stuff like that. This is always in my purse, and I actually use the AviQ, so they are just these little square EpiPens, and the case is from Allergy Apparel. I will have them linked down below. I have been using their cases for years. I have the one for the AviQ, and I also have the full-size longer one that is meant for the regular EpiPens, and the pouch itself is called the Carry-All Polka. I also have my lanyard, and this is what it looks like. Typically, it also has my keys attached to it, but those Those are currently in my coat pocket, and I didn't feel the need to go get them because it's just a set of keys. But this is just one of the Vera Bradley lanyards, and it is absolutely disgusting. It used to be white, and it is now like yellow and brown. If you guys would like to see a video on how to clean these, let me know, because I can do that. But on there, I just have a Carmex lip balm. I also have this from RoboCop. They have since changed their company name, but this is just an alarm where if you pull it, it makes a loud noise and it will draw attention. So if you are in a situation, you can use it. I have this, which is a keychain from My ID, and it usually has this little pod in it, but because the pod has all my information on the back, I decided to take it out. But this is typically on there, and basically, if I were in a medical emergency situation, medical personnel could scan this or go online and enter my information or call the number on the back, and they would have every single piece of information they could possibly need health-wise about me. I have a ton of videos on my channel about My ID that I will leave down below. I highly recommend checking them out. They have so many different products. They have the little pods like this. They have sleeves that go on an Apple Watch. They just have a card that can go in your wallet and stuff like that. And I also have a coupon code that will get you guys free shipping that I will leave down below. I have a cross keychain that I got from Forever 21, like when I was in like high school. I don't know why I still have it on there, but I do. And I also have a Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. This one is just in Fall Lakeside Breeze, and that is everything that is currently on my lanyard. I also have my Beats in my bag. These are just the rose gold wireless Beats, and I love these. I do have an iPhone XR, so I don't have a headphone jack, and if I want to charge my phone and listen to music, I can use these still. These are also really great for going to the gym, and what makes these really convenient is that they actually charge using the lightning cable for the iPhone, so you don't have to bring a ton of chargers with you in order to charge them. I have a portable charger. This is from Bando, and it just says free refills on it, and you just pop this off and you stick it in your phone and it will charge your phone for you. And I got this probably like a year ago at Marshall's, and it was on sale, so I don't know if you guys can still get them. And I really like how thin this one is because you could put it in your back pocket or your wallet if you needed to as well. I have a lip balm. This is just the Fresh Sugar Peach Hydrating Lip Balm. I have talked about these so many different times here on my channel. They help a ton with dry lips, and you can also put this on and go and drink something or eat something and it'll stay on your lips. It won't come off. I actually have 6 of these. I have this one, which is the peach one. I have one in caramel, one in lemon, one in blood orange, one in lime mint, and I also have one in watermelon. I absolutely love these, and I have them dispersed in different places, such as in my bag, on my nightstand, and stuff like that. I have a body lotion that I use more as a hand lotion, and it is from Pink. It is the Pink Fresh and Clean body lotion. I got this in a set along with the body mist from a good friend for Christmas, and let me tell you, I absolutely love it. This is like one of their OG scents that will never get old. I used to have the full-sized pump version back when I was in high school, and so when I got this, it just brought back so many memories, and it smells so good, and the scent of this lasts, which I absolutely love. I have a thing of Tic Tacs to keep my breath fresh. These ones like burn my mouth, but I mean, hey, they do give me fresh breath. I also have a pack of gum, and this is just my favorite. It is the extra long-lasting flavor spearmint one. Spearmint is definitely my favorite. And other than a flosser that I need to throw away, the last thing I have in my bag is my wallet. This is just what it looks like. I've included this in a favorites video before. It actually came from Amazon, and I think it was like $10. I will leave it down below for you guys, but let me tell you, this is the best wallet I've ever used. It looks like one of the Michael Kors ones, and it does have a little wrist strap, and it's black, and let me tell you, I love it. I have so much stuff in here. I'm not going to show you guys because obviously all my personal stuff is in here, but this thing is chock full of stuff. I have room for a checkbook, receipts, change, cash, about 1 million credit cards, and even more. So if needed, I could just take this and my phone with me if I was going somewhere. And it does come in a ton of other colors, and I think it does come in a few patterns. So that is everything that is in my sea bag. Currently, I have been using this since the day I got it, which was on Christmas. If you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And like I said earlier, make sure to check out Sea Bags down below. They have a ton of stuff, and all their products make great gifts. If you have any questions about them, leave them down below and I will do my best to answer them or try and figure out the answer for you. While you are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also, be sure to click the bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!